In this video, I want to speak to you about something that becomes more important with every passing year: keeping your legs strong, steady, and dependable as you age. Many older adults believe that weak legs are simply a normal part of growing older, but that is not entirely true. Your legs can stay strong well into your 70s and 80s if your body receives the right support. And most of that support does not come from heavy exercise or gym machines. It comes from the nutrients your muscles and bones need, especially at night while you sleep. In this video, I will show you 2 powerful vitamins that help rebuild your leg strength during sleep, even at age 80 or 85. These nutrients help your muscles relax, help your bones stay strong, and help your nerves send signals clearly so your legs don't feel shaky or tired. I will also explain 3 silent deficiencies that weaken the legs without warning, deficiencies most seniors have never heard about. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. It helps us feel like one community here, learning together and supporting one another. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. Why your legs feel weaker after 60. Let's begin with something many older adults are never told clearly. Your legs are not getting weaker because you are lazy, because you don't walk enough, or because you are doing something wrong. Many seniors quietly blame themselves for the heaviness, stiffness, or slow steps they feel. But the truth is much kinder. After age 60, the body naturally slows down its repair system. The tiny muscle repairs that used to happen easily every night now take longer, and sometimes they don't happen fully. This is why your legs may feel tired or heavy even after a normal day. When you were younger, your muscles rebuilt themselves every night without effort. Growth hormones were higher, nerve signals were faster, and your bones absorbed minerals easily. But as you age, these functions slow down. So even if you stay active and try your best, your muscles may still feel weak in the morning because they don't recover the way they used to. Every step you take, walking to the mailbox, standing in the kitchen, getting out of a chair, creates tiny wear on your muscles. That is normal. But after 60, those tiny repairs don't happen as quickly, causing stiffness, soreness, tightness, and that heavy leg feeling many seniors describe. Some say it feels like walking through mud. This doesn't come from lack of effort. It comes from incomplete nighttime repair. Another reason is nerve slowdown. Your nerves send messages from your brain to your legs. With age, these signals travel more slowly, making your steps feel unsteady. This doesn't mean permanent weakness. It simply means your body needs different support now. Weak legs affect far more than walking. They reduce balance, limit mobility, shrink social life, weaken the bones, and increase the risk of falls. By strengthening your legs, you protect your independence, safety, and confidence every single day. Point 2. The first vitamin your legs need at night: magnesium. Now, let's talk about the first vitamin your legs truly need at night: magnesium. Many seniors have heard of magnesium, but very few understand how important it becomes after the age of 60. Magnesium is what I call the body's relaxation and repair mineral. It helps your muscles release tension, it supports your nerves, and it balances calcium in the body. And here's something most older adults don't know. More than half of seniors in the United States are low in magnesium without realizing it. When your magnesium levels are low, the signs often show up in your legs first. You may feel nighttime cramps, sudden spasms, restless legs, heaviness when walking, or a slow recovery after even light activity. Some people describe their legs as feeling tight, stiff, or tired for no reason. These are all quiet warnings that the muscles are not relaxing or repairing the way they should. Taking magnesium at night helps because nighttime is when your body naturally enters its repair mode. When you sleep, your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest and recovery, becomes active. Magnesium supports this system and allows your leg muscles to release all the tension they built up during the day. Relaxed muscles receive better blood flow, more oxygen, and more nutrients. And these 3 things are exactly what muscles need to grow stronger. Another key role of magnesium is its connection to energy. Every muscle contraction depends on a molecule called ADP, and ADP only works properly when magnesium is present. Without enough magnesium, your muscles produce weak or low-quality energy. This is why your legs may feel heavy or tired even after doing something simple. Point 3. The second nighttime vitamin for strong legs, vitamin K2. Now let's talk about the second vitamin your legs absolutely need at night, vitamin K2. Many seniors have heard of vitamin K, but very few understand the difference between K1 and K2. Vitamin K1 helps with blood clotting, but vitamin K2 is the one that strengthens your bones, protects your arteries, and supports your legs in a way that becomes more important every year after age 60. Here's the simple truth. Calcium is the mineral that hardens your bones, but without K2, calcium does not know where to go. It can float around your bloodstream and deposit itself in the wrong places. Instead of strengthening your bones, the calcium can build up in your arteries or soft tissues, creating stiffness and reducing circulation. This is one reason why some seniors take calcium supplements faithfully, yet still struggle with weak legs or brittle bones. Vitamin K2 solves this problem. Its job is to act like a traffic controller for calcium. It activates two special proteins in your body. One sends calcium directly into your bones, and the other keeps calcium out of your arteries. This means K2 helps build stronger bones while also protecting your heart and blood vessels. Nighttime is when K2 does its best work. While you sleep, your bones enter a natural rebuilding cycle called bone turnover. Old bone cells are removed, and new stronger cells are created. K2 guides calcium into these new bone cells, especially in the legs, hips, and knees, which carry most of your body weight. Research has shown that seniors who take vitamin K2 improve their bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. Stronger bones support stronger muscles. A muscle cannot perform well if its foundation, the bone, is weak. Point 4. The first silent deficiency weakening senior legs, vitamin D. The first silent deficiency that weakens the legs of many seniors is vitamin D. This deficiency is extremely common, especially among older adults in the United States, and most people don't even realize they are low. Vitamin D plays a major role in muscle strength, bone health, and balance. When your vitamin D level drops, your legs lose power, your muscles tire faster, and your confidence while walking begins to change. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, but it also strengthens the muscles that support your hips, thighs, and lower legs. These are the muscles you depend on every single day to sit, stand, walk, climb steps, and stay steady on your feet. When vitamin D is low, these muscles weaken and small movements start to feel heavier than they used to. You may notice your legs shaking when you get up from a chair, or you may feel unsteady when you take the first few steps in the morning. Vitamin D is also important for your nerves. It helps the nerves send clear signals from your brain to your legs. When vitamin D is low, these signals slow down, making your legs feel shaky or uncoordinated. Some seniors describe this as wobbly legs or feeling unsure when walking on uneven surfaces. The good news is that the body can make vitamin D naturally. Just 10 to 20 minutes of gentle morning sunlight can help improve your levels. Foods like salmon, sardines, fortified milk, and eggs provide additional support. But many seniors still need supplements because the skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D with age. Point 5. The second silent deficiency weakening senior legs, vitamin B12. The second silent deficiency that quietly weakens senior legs is vitamin B12. This deficiency is far more common than people realize, especially in older adults. Even if you eat a balanced diet, your body may still struggle to absorb B12 properly after age 60. That is because the stomach produces less acid with age, and stomach acid is required for B12 absorption. Without enough B12, the nerves in your legs begin to suffer, and muscle strength drops more quickly than most seniors expect. Vitamin B12 is essential for healthy nerves, red blood cell formation, and oxygen delivery to your muscles. When B12 is low, your nerves cannot send signals smoothly from your brain to your legs. This leads to symptoms many seniors try to ignore: numbness, tingling, burning, or that strange pins and needles feeling. Some people notice their feet dragging slightly when they walk, or they may feel like their legs are not lifting as high as they used to. Low B12 also weakens the muscles by lowering oxygen supply. Muscles need steady oxygen to stay strong. Without it, your legs tire quickly, and even short walks may feel exhausting. Many seniors describe their legs as heavy, slow, or uncoordinated when their B12 is low. Research shows that seniors with B12 deficiency walk more slowly and have poorer balance. Some even develop a shuffling step without realizing it. These changes are not part of normal aging. They are clear signs that the nerves and muscles are not receiving the support they need. You can get B12 from foods like eggs, dairy, fish, and lean meats. But because absorption decreases with age, many older adults need supplements to restore their levels. Correcting a B12 deficiency can bring noticeable improvement, stronger steps, better sensation in the feet, and improved confidence while walking. Point 6. The third silent deficiency weakening senior legs. Low protein intake. The third silent deficiency that weakens senior legs is low protein intake, and this one often surprises people the most. Many older adults believe they eat enough protein, but the truth is that after age 50, the body slowly loses muscle in a process called sarcopenia. Without enough protein, this muscle loss accelerates, and the legs are the first place where the weakness becomes noticeable. Protein is the raw material your muscles need to stay firm, strong, and steady. Every single day, your muscles go through a natural cycle of breaking down and rebuilding. When you were younger, this rebuilding happened quickly and easily. But as you age, your body needs more support. If you don't give your muscles enough protein, they cannot rebuild properly. That means the muscles in your thighs, hips, and calves begin shrinking quietly over time, even if you are still active. Low protein often shows up as difficulty standing from a chair, slower walking speed, trouble climbing stairs, and a general feeling of leg fatigue. Many seniors describe it as, "My legs don't have the power they used to," or, "I feel weak even though I didn't do much." This is not lack of effort. It is lack of fuel. The good news is that increasing protein, even in small ways, can make a big difference. Foods like eggs, yogurt, beans, chicken, lentils, nuts, fish, and lean meats help rebuild muscle strength. Seniors should aim to include some form of protein in every meal instead of relying on one large serving. Consistency matters more than quantity. When older adults correct this deficiency, they often feel improvement within weeks, steadier legs, better endurance, stronger steps, and more confidence moving around. Protein does not just feed your muscles. It helps you maintain independence, balance, and strength as you age. Point 7. What happens when you correct these deficiencies together? Now let's talk about what truly happens when seniors correct all these deficiencies together: magnesium, vitamin K2, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and daily protein. Most people focus on only one nutrient at a time, but the real transformation begins when the body receives the full support it has been missing for years. These nutrients work like a team. Each one strengthens a different part of your legs, and when they work together, the results can feel almost life-changing. Magnesium helps your muscles relax at night and repair themselves properly. Vitamin K2 strengthens the bones so your muscles have a strong foundation to work with. Vitamin D improves balance, nerve communication, and stability. Vitamin B12 supports nerve health and gives your muscles the oxygen they need for steady movement. And protein rebuilds the muscle fibers that carry you through your day. When all of these come together, seniors often notice a level of improvement they didn't expect at their age. Walking becomes easier. Standing up from a chair feels smoother. Stairs don't feel as intimidating. Many seniors who correct these deficiencies report that their legs feel lighter, more awake, or more dependable. Their confidence increases because they trust their legs again, and that confidence alone can change how they move through the day. Another important benefit is reduced risk of falls. Stronger muscles, stronger bones, and healthier nerves all work together to support balance. Even small improvements can make a huge difference in safety and independence. You may also notice better sleep, more energy in the morning, and improved circulation. These nutrients support the whole body, not just the legs. When the legs grow stronger, life feels more open. You move more freely, stay socially active, and remain independent longer. Point 8. Why a guided meal plan makes leg strength easier for seniors. By now, you understand that strong legs don't just depend on exercise. They depend on the right nutrients working together every single day. But here's the challenge many seniors face. Even if you know which vitamins and minerals you need, it can still be difficult to figure out how to include them in your meals in a balanced, consistent way. Many older adults unintentionally skip important nutrients, combine foods that weaken absorption, or rely on meals that don't support muscle or bone repair. This is why having a guided meal plan can make such a big difference. A well-designed plan removes the confusion, the guesswork, and the stress of figuring out what to eat. It ensures your body gets enough protein to rebuild muscle, enough healthy fats to absorb vitamins, and the right combinations of nutrients to help your legs grow stronger week by week. When your meals are balanced, your body can repair itself more effectively at night and stay more energized during the day. A protein-rich routine is especially important for older adults. Many seniors unintentionally eat too little protein, not because they don't want it, but because their appetite has changed or they don't know how much they need. A good meal plan solves this by giving clear, simple options that fit into your daily life without overwhelming you. Having recipes that naturally include key nutrients like magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12 makes it even easier to support your legs without feeling like you're forcing yourself into a strict diet. When you consistently follow a plan designed for older adults, your legs gradually regain power. You feel steadier when you stand, more confident when walking, and less tired throughout the day. Strong legs start in the kitchen just as much as they start with movement. With the right meals, your body finally gets the fuel it needs to repair, strengthen, and support you at any age. Point 9. Why nighttime is the best time to strengthen senior legs. Most seniors focus on what they do during the day to stay strong: walking, light stretching, staying active. But what many people don't realize is that the real rebuilding of your legs happens at night. Nighttime is when your body quietly enters repair mode, fixing the wear and tear that builds up in your muscles, nerves, and bones throughout the day. This is why the nutrients you take before bed matter so much more than most older adults ever hear from their doctor. When you sleep, your parasympathetic nervous system becomes active. This is the part of your body that promotes deep rest, cellular repair, and muscle recovery. Your breathing becomes slower, your heart rate becomes calmer, and your body finally gets a chance to focus on healing. Strong legs are not built while you're moving. They're built during the hours when your muscles relax fully, allowing better blood flow, oxygen delivery, and nutrient absorption. This is also when bones undergo their natural process of remodeling. Old bone tissue is removed, and new, stronger tissue is created. But for this to happen in a healthy and effective way, your body needs the right vitamins available during sleep, especially magnesium and vitamin K2. Magnesium allows your muscles to relax fully so they can repair instead of staying tight and fatigued. Vitamin K2 directs calcium into your bones exactly when your body is rebuilding them. Nerve repair also strengthens at night. Vitamins like B12 and D support nerve communication, helping your legs feel steadier and more coordinated when you wake up. This is why many seniors who support their nighttime recovery notice that their legs feel lighter and more dependable in the morning. The most important message I want you to take away is this: your legs can grow stronger at any age, even if you are in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. Many seniors believe that weakness is permanent, that once the legs start giving out, there is no way back. But that is simply not true. Your muscles can still rebuild. Your nerves can still repair. Your bones can still strengthen. The body never stops responding to care. It only needs the right support. Think of your legs as a system, not a single part. When your muscles receive magnesium at night, they relax and repair. When your bones receive vitamin K2, they rebuild stronger. When you correct vitamin D and B12 levels, your nerves send better signals and your balance improves. And when you give your body enough protein, your muscles have the fuel they need to grow. Each part supports the other. When all of them work together, the results are powerful. Never underestimate your body's ability to heal and strengthen itself. Age does not close the door. It simply asks you to support your body differently. With the right nutrients, habits, and patience, your legs can carry you with strength and stability for many years to come.